2 weeks, 2 records, 2 continents. That's the soul of Czinger vehicles, art in motion on the roadway, and record-breaking performance at the track.
It's an honor to be back here for our 3rd year, and this is a historic day for Czinger vehicles and the automotive industry. Not only in those 2 weeks and those 2 records, but also in our delivery of customer car number 1. 80 cars that will change everything start with this car over there. The 21C is the culmination of years of effort from hundreds of individuals and represents over 700 patents. For all of us, it is more than a car. It is a symbol of what is possible when vision, innovation, sheer work, and effort come together to create something extraordinary. Alongside production car number 1, we've got a legendary vehicle to my left, fittingly named the 21C Rattlesnake Green Edition, in tribute to drag racing legend Don the Snake Perdone. And fittingly, as you saw in the video, this is the exact car in its exact specification that set the Goodwood Hill Climb record and the Circuit of the Americas record. Alongside it, you see the breathtaking 21C VMAX shown for the first time today in a beautiful Mojave gold and a striking blue interior. The Mojave for us, for Czinger vehicles, has become part of our DNA. This is where most of our vehicles are tested. Over the years, we've become closely acquainted with the Great Desert's beauty and its harshness. This specification pays our respects to that Great Desert. And lastly, over next to Kevin, you see the core of Czinger vehicles, the chassis itself. This is a world first, combining generative design, additive manufacturing, and robotic assembly into something that will change the industry for decades to come and powers the performance of the 21C. We're both proud to be standing in front of you all today and really saying 3 things. 1, our factory, Area 21, is online. 2, Czinger Vehicles is officially in production. And lastly, customer car number 1 is delivered. Thank you.